Today we are going to explain how to quickly and easily insert a countdown timer into your PowerPoint presentation. Begin by opening the PowerPoint application on your computer, take a moment to locate and launch your presentation file so that you can follow along with each step smoothly. Once you have your presentation visible on the screen, prepare yourself to add an engaging feature that can help manage your time during your slideshow. After you have opened the file, navigate to your specific presentation where you would like the timer to appear. This step ensures that you are working on the correct document and that the changes you make will be saved to the presentation you intend to use. It is important to confirm you have the right file open before moving on to the next step. With your presentation ready, locate the Home tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. The Home tab is a central hub for many of the common tasks that are frequently used in PowerPoint, and it is within this tab that you will find the tools necessary to add new elements to your slides. It is a good idea to ensure you are familiar with the Home tab, as it contains commands that you may use repeatedly during your work with PowerPoint. Once you have accessed the Home tab, direct your attention to the far right side of the tab interface. There you will discover an option known as Add-ins. Click on the Add-ins button to reveal a search facility. This is where you will search for the timer function that you need. The addition of add-ins to PowerPoint is a streamlined way to enhance the functionality of your presentation without requiring advanced programming or manual updates. After clicking add-ins, enter the word timer in the search field that will appear. Typing in timer will filter the available add-ins and display a list of related options. This process is designed to help you quickly locate the specific feature you are looking for without having to sift through numerous unrelated tools. It is both a time-saving and efficient approach to customizing your presentation. Once the search results populate, look for a particular add-in that is named PP Timer. When you find PP Timer, select it so that you can proceed with adding it to your presentation. This add-in acts as a countdown timer that fits seamlessly into your PowerPoint slide layout. With the PP Timer add-in highlighted, click the Add button to begin integrating the countdown timer feature into your presentation. After clicking Add, you will see the timer added to your slide. You can now set it up to count down according to your specific requirements, ensuring that your presentation stays on schedule. With the timer successfully added, take a moment to review its placement and settings so that everything is configured correctly for your upcoming presentation session. Enjoy the benefits of a visually engaging and time-conscious presentation tool that guides both you and your audience through the content with precision and clarity.